Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone XS in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way you can do it is either holding the volume up or volume down button along with this side button at the same time for about a few seconds. So I'm going to hold the volume up and this side button at the same time, just like this. And once you simultaneously hold it for a few seconds, this menu to power off will come up and you slide, and that will turn off the iPhone. Now if you don't want to use the buttons, you can also go through your settings by going to your settings, scroll to settings and then general, and then scroll down where it says shutdown, and you can click on shutdown. Same thing, you can slide to power off, and that will also turn off your iPhone. Now the only way to restart it is by using Siri. So you want to go into your settings, check that Siri and search is turned on. So you want to make sure that Siri is turned on for Hey Siri, or the side button for Siri, and then we can get Siri to restart our iPhone by issuing the command, Hey Siri, restart iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. So as you can see here, we can invoke Siri to do the restart. There is no other way to restart that will work without using Siri. So if you want to restart, you want to use Siri voice command to have it restart. And make sure your phone is up to date on the latest iOS version. Some of the earlier version did not allow Siri to do that, and your phone will restart. Now, for some reason, if you powered it off the other method, you can also turn it back on by holding onto the side button, or just simply plug it into a power source or charging it, and that will also turn on your iPhone. And that's how you turn off or restart your iPhone XS. I hope this video is helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys in the next one.